bit lighter. Coming up this weekend, it is a National Blueberry Day, right?
Blueberry Pie Day is Sunday.
Blueberry Pie Day.
Yes.
So there you go. Get the ice cream, the blueberry pie, and we have dessert diva Danette Randall in the house.
Grab your umbrella. Grab your pies.
We'll just I'll grab the pie.
Yeah, just grab
the umbrellas out.
Let your hair get wet.
Yes.
So.
Right.
All right, this is so simple. And instead of making a big pie, I made what's called hand
cute
pies.
they are.
Because they're portable. If you make them they're great for the summer as well as right now because you can kind of pack them up and you can just, I made different shapes and I'll kind of show you, but I want to show you how simple it is. So first of all, we're going to do about 1.5 cups of blueberries, which that's about 1.5 pints. It's about 10 ounces.
Okay.
About 1.5 pints.
You get those Florida fresh?
That's right. The blueberries. We're going to do 2 tablespoons sugar. Just toss that up. Now we're going to do, a lot of times you use lemon zest in pies to kind of brighten it up. I like to use orange with,
that does
a
sound like
little
a
bit of
good
orange. So we're
combination.
just going to kind of zest a little bit. It's easier to do when you have the whole orange, but you know, why would I do that? I got half and brought the half. So I just kind of do that. And I just give it just a little bit. You don't want too much in there because the juices will seep out, which is still fine. It's delicious. You can also, if you can't make it, if you can't find good fresh blueberries you like, you can use frozen, but you have to make sure that you take them out, defrost them, and then let them drain first, because otherwise they're going to go like everywhere and you're going to have a mess. Anyway, so you just toss that up and then you're going to just let that sit. Very easy. 375 degrees, you're going to do your oven, and then you can make a homemade pie crust, and it's not that difficult, but why not? You can just buy the pie crust. You can buy, you know, the 2 different pie crusts, because it's easy, because you're going to have the fresh blueberries and the orange. It's going to really brighten it up, so you can cheat a little bit and use a pie crust that's already made. So you're just going to roll the pie crust out. I've already kind of done that for you, to about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch thick, okay? Now, you can use a circle, you can use a flower.
Oh, you made all kinds of shapes.
You can do all kinds of shapes, and if you don't have a cookie cutter, you can just get a glass and do it. So I'm just going to kind of show you what you would do. So you're going to take one of these. You're going to take your egg wash. Look, this,
You better eat while you finish this off.
Okay, you're going to take the egg wash and brush it on here. I really got the largest pastry brush ever. You're going to put the blueberries on top and kind of mound it in the middle. You're going to take the other one. You're going to press it down like this, and then see what I do here. You just kind of make the edges like that.
That is so easy.
You're going to brush it with more egg wash, use a little bit of a coarse sugar. You're going to bake this for, it's about 20 minutes, and it comes out. I put a stick in a few of these with the flour ones. You have to make sure you soak the sticks so they don't burn, but you can make little flour. It's kind of fun. Fun thing for the kid to do. You can make it empanada style. Am I out of time here?
Yeah,
you can make it empanada style.
If you are not making her desserts, you are missing out. We'll just say that much.
This is a winner.
A winner.
A winner. All right, unfortunately.